hamper, and what I love is that you get a set of 2. So if you like to separate your lights from your darks in your hamper, then this is your opportunity to do that. They come to us from Periea, who we know for all of the storage boxes and great storage solutions that they bring to us. Same type of construction, so it's got the metal frames that again support the weight of this. But when you're not using it, they collapse really nicely. They're $44. You have 3 easy pays of $14.67 to get them home. They'll support up to 44 pounds when you pick it up using the handles. And we've got, of course, colors that coordinate back to the many colors that Periea brings in the storage boxes. So we'll start right here with the black floral. Then right next to that is the sage linen. The new color for the season is that beautiful floral, painted floral. Then next to that is your blue linen. One of the classics is the metallic marble. And then next we have the gray tweed. And last but not least, we have the black dots. You get 2 of them. Again, you can separate them and use them in different spaces or use them together. We have Diana Seedstead here to talk with us about the Hampers. Yeah, been there, done that.
This is the old way. We're going to upgrade you from this.
A better mousetrap for you.
Yes, exactly. So these do come to you totally collapsed like this, and then they're going to pop up really nicely too. I'll just give you a tour of the one that's already put together. So we have a mesh top. It closes with a little magnetic closure there, and it's 26 inches tall by 16 inches by 16 inches. And then on the front, what you're going to notice is you have this nice window, but this also opens, which is really great when you're looking for that pair of pants or that something, you're like, where is it? Where is it? You can just look in there and see, and if you want to make sure that gets in the wash, you can pull it out.
Or you put something in there by mistake and you want to make sure it doesn't get thrown into the washing machine.
Exactly.
Right? The great thing is there's all kinds of uses for these. So yes, it is meant to be a hamper, but if you want to think outside of the box and use it for different ways, you certainly can. I love that it has a small footprint. Like you said, it's 16 by 16 by 26. So if I wanted to put this in a closet, I could.
Yes.
And then makes it easier to get this up and down the stairs.
Right.
Not only do you put your dirty clothes in this, but then you can use the other one to put your clean folded clothes in and then take them back to where they need to go.
Yes, absolutely. And because they have those handles on the side, really easy to transport. That I was standing there holding that plastic basket and my hands were hurting. It was like cutting into my hands. So this is really nice. And so to pop them up, you're going to get 4 of these rods, and those are what you're just going to put into the 4 corners. So super simple. But I love, how about you take this on vacation with you? You know, you rent a home, you can put all your laundry in here, and then you can just take it home with all the dirty laundry in it.
With the 2 that you're getting, you can use this to carry things to the vacation home in. So put your towels, your sheets, and all that things in that. Then transport it, you can take it in, use it, and then take it back. So we're going to show you some other ways to use them, but I also want to just remind you of the colors really quickly. We'll start, you want to start here or down that end? We'll start here with the black floral. We also have the sage linen. Next up is the painted floral. We have next to that the blue linen, then the marble, metallic marble. And then we have the gray tweed. That's been the most popular. And finally, we have the black dots. And I love, and already 200 orders placed, that everybody can get their own color, and that way you know whose basket is what.
Exactly.
So here's some, again, alternatives to.
You know, which one would you rather be looking at in your room? And this is heavy, and you don't really know what, you can kind of see what's in there. I love that it has the mesh top, so everything in here can breathe. But again, what's so nice is, oh, I accidentally threw the sweater in here, or I want to make sure this sweater gets into the dark wash that I'm doing. You can see everything, and you can just pull out what you need, which is nice to have this second access here. And of course, if you don't want to see your laundry too, you could also have it in your room facing this way.
Oh, that's true.
So
I like the fact that you get a set of two, because honestly, my husband's gym clothes, I've been bashing my husband throughout the show, talking about the snoring. Now I'm talking about dirty, smelly sweat coat. He has gym clothes, dedicated gym clothes, that really are hard to get the odor out of. I don't want them mixed with my clothes.
Right.
So having two separate
his and
places,
her
he's got a his and
hamper.
her hamper.
Yes.
So it keeps it separate. Here's the installation. If you're not using it, again, it collapses just like all the Periea items that we have brought in the past. But the assembly is easy. Think about dorm rooms, which are limited on space. Where do they throw their dirty clothes? Probably on the floor.
Right. They certainly don't have one of those plastic baskets either, because they take up too much room.
Too much space.
On the too much space, and it's heavy. These are very lightweight, so you're not adding any extra when you're moving your laundry around. But you can get up to 44 pounds in here, and easy to move with those nice fabric handles, and they look nice. And here we have them kind of a light, kind of a dark. In my house, that's how I would do it.
I would do it separate,
the light and the dark, which is nice.
You have a laundry chute. This can be on the bottom, so that as the laundry is dropped in, it can go right inside. And then if you do realize, oops, I put something in there that's not washable, take it out. I mean, you can see what's going on. If you don't want to see it, turn it around so that that window is against the wall. They will support 44 pounds if you pick up using the handles that are included. And again, you're getting two of them for that price point. Plus, it does bring along like the cohesiveness of coordinating patterns with our other
If you have
Periea
boxes in your closet or in your bedroom, it's such a nice way to get them all coordinated.
Right. Well, continuing the process of placing your order, I like the fact that they're a little bit smaller footprint too, 16 by 16, so they can literally fit in the closet, or in a little space next to that laundry room.
In your bedroom, if you have them sitting out in your bedroom, it's certainly going to look a lot nicer.
Nicer than that.
Something like this in the corner of the bedroom.
Which was very functional when that was the only thing available. Now there are other ways to do your laundry. The 86094 is your item number. $44, 3 payments of $14.67. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jane.
Good to see you, as
too.
always. All right, still to come in the show, we have Homeworks by Harry Slacken, a set of two.